Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Microsoft is set to launch its AI-powered Copilot feature as part of a free update for Windows 11 beginning on 26 September. It will subsequently be extended to Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 Copilot later in the fall. This update brings the capabilities of Copilot and AI-driven experiences to various apps including Paint, Photos, and Clipchamp. Key features include support for the latest DALL-E 3 model from OpenAI, personalized search answers based on user history, AI-enhanced shopping experiences, and improvements to Bing Chat Enterprise to make it more mobile and visually appealing. Next up we have Facebook has unveiled a new multi-profile feature allowing users to create multiple profiles to share content with different audiences. Users can utilize the Create Another Profile option to establish customized profiles based on their interest. While this feature aims to enhance sharing flexibility, there are concerns that it might also encourage negative behaviors like trolling. Users can create distinct About Me sections for each community, although certain features like dating, marketplace, professional mode, and payments will not be accessible on additional personal profiles. Amazon has introduced its latest smart glasses, Echo Frames, developed in collaboration with Carrera Eyewear. These smart glasses are powered by the Alexa LLM AI and are available in various form factors including modern rectangle, round, square, cat eye, Carrera Cruiser, and Carrera Sprinter. Amazon's fall event highlighted new AI feature for Echo and Fire TV devices and marked the launch of Echo Frames. Amazfit has launched its Cheetah series smartwatches in India, catering to runners with a lightweight design and a fiber-reinforced polymer middle frame. Priced at Rs 20,999, the smartwatches comes in two variants, round and square. Running on Zap OS 2.0, these smartwatches features Zap Coach, an AI-powered running coach capable of creating personalized training plans. Additional highlights include AI chat for improving routines, Max Track technology for enhanced GPS accuracy, and various sensors including heart rate, accelerometer, blood oxygen saturation monitor, and sleep tracker. Apple has updated its iWork suite of apps including Pages, eNote, and Numbers for iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices. Notable enhancements include support for 3D objects in the USD-Z file format, enabling embedded animations and magic move effects for 3D objects across slides. The apps now support stickers and offer inline predictions for text. New collaboration features include integration with FaceTime, suggested documents via Spotlight, and simplified document import options. These iWork apps are available for free on the App Store and Mac App Store. Next up we have Google's recent helpful content update has sparked complaints from content creators who claim their original content is being pushed down in search results in favor of AI generated content. Large language models like ChatGPT developed using web data may inadvertently include rehashed content in AI generated outputs. Google introduced the helpful content signal to ensure that original and useful content is prioritized in search results. The update is part of Google's ongoing efforts to improve search engine experiences and mitigate manipulation of results. Website owners are encouraged to consult Google's self-assessment guide to evaluate their website's compliance with the latest requirements. At last, OpenAI has unveiled the OpenAI Red Teaming Network, consisting of experts from diverse fields such as education, economics, law, languages, political science, and psychology. The Red Team will provide insights to inform risk assessment and mitigation strategies for deploying safer AI models. Prior experience with AI systems or language models is not mandatory, and members will be compensated for their contributions while adhering to non-disclosure agreements. The Red Team's involvement can range from a minimal time commitment of 5 hours per year to more substantial engagements. Experts can also participate in discussions related to Red Teaming practices and findings through OpenAI's website. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की पूरी ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल भेजता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।